guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, today is going to be another pre-poo chit chat video, and I am already in the middle of a pre-poo chit chat video. I just got done with one for you guys, and I'm pre-bashing my video today, so y'all gonna see me like this a couple times, okay? So the product that I'm using once again is going to be my DIY aloe vera gel. I needed my hair to be moisturized and have a lot of slip in it because I've noticed that my hair has been kind of dry. So that's what I have, and that's what I'm putting in my hair as we speak. But you guys, what I wanted to talk to you about is 4 hairstyles that you will never see me do on this channel, or 4 things that you will never see me do on this natural hair channel. So if you're interested in these hairstyles and why I will not do this crap to my hair, then just keep watching. So the number one is probably an obvious, or maybe it's not an obvious, but it's going to be box braids, kinky twist, passion twist, whatever these very long braided in weave hairstyles are. You guys have been, if y'all been here with me for a while, y'all seen that I had weave in my hair like 5 years ago, and I paid for my hair to get done. I spent $100 on the weave. I had 10 packs or 12 packs of weave. I spent $100 or $80 on the hair. It was pretty much $100 after tax. And then I had to pay the woman that did my hair, who did a very good job, but I had to pay her $300 to braid my hair. No, she did not know how much hair I had before I went and got my hair braided by her. I showed up with my hair freshly washed, blow dry. She did not require these things of me before I went to her. And that's what her fee was. Straight off the rip was just $300. No, I did not leave a tip because I didn't even know that was a thing to tip hairstylists. But she braided my hair, and I came with my hair already prepped for her just because I'm particular about my hair and my hair care. But I feel as though the toxins that they put inside the weave, and for it to be braided throughout the length of my hair, I feel like it made my hair shed a lot more than what my hair normally sheds at that time within a 2-month time span, because I think I had my braids in for about 2 months, and I just didn't like the way that my hair felt. I felt like that was almost kind of like a small setback for my hair, because my hair really shedded with that weave. So that's one style. Those are a couple of styles. I mean, a couple of styles in one that y'all will not see on this channel just because of the jeopardy of my hair. And you guys, yes, I am a natural hair content creator, but all of these styles and trends and stuff, I don't like to jump on them nor do them, because I'm more of a keep your hair healthy, get it from whatever damaged state that it was in, and keep it that way. Like, don't damage your hair again after you just worked so hard on getting your hair healthy, because as you get older, your hair is only going to naturally thin out and get pretty much damaged from just being older. Box braids and stuff like that, that's not a protective style to me. That is only for show or for catching a certain audience or whatever. And honestly, I'm not going to sell my hair soul or sell my soul to pretty much make a buck. I put box braids in my hair because I wanted to see color, which is leading me into the second thing you guys will probably never see on my channel. Depending on, let me make this clear, depending on how long I do YouTube and if I start getting gray hairs that you can visibly see. I only have 1 gray hair so far in my temple area, but I have been fortunate enough to be almost 33 now, and I have not only seen 1 gray hair thus far. But you guys won't see me coloring my hair different colors. I'm not sure if you noticed, but that's why I actually got the weave put in my hair because I did not want to color my hair and I didn't want to jeopardize the health of my hair. Yes, hair grows back, but for me, my whole purpose was to have long, healthy hair. And also, just to add a disclaimer in there for you guys, I never had colored my hair. I wasn't allowed as a kid to color my hair. I couldn't play with hair color or anything like that. So I've always had black hair. I had the urge or the desire to color my hair at one point of my life. But when I met my husband was just like, yeah, I would prefer you not to color your hair. My parents didn't allow me to color my hair. My mom never had color treated hair. So that was just something that I wasn't accustomed of seeing or doing. So I don't know myself with having red hair or blonde hair or just any different color hair. Like, that wasn't my life. And I don't know, I wanted to do it, but then what really made me not want to do it was after Natural 85 dyed her hair, and then I think she had some of the bulk of her hair cut out. But after seeing her go through the process, I chose not to do that for myself. And that's something you guys probably, you will never see on this channel, or like I said, unless I start getting a whole bunch of gray hairs, and I don't want to see gray hairs in my head. I will start dyeing my hair black again, but that's just something I don't want to see. Another hairstyle that you guys probably won't see, but I'm not opposed to it, but you guys probably won't see wigs or U-part wigs or anything like that on my channel, but I am not opposed to it. I just haven't gotten my hands on one or learned how to do the hairstyle or braid my hair down enough to actually get the hair installed in my head. And then that's another thing, I don't want anybody to touch my head, so I'm not gonna go and have somebody braid. Okay, I'm not opposed to if my hair was braided all up by itself and then I just put a wig on the top of my head. I'm not opposed to that hairstyle. The hairstyle that I'm not doing that is getting the weave sewed in, or having, I think it's the wigs that's sewn in and you can't take that crap off. Yeah, you guys will never see like a hairstyle like that on my channel, because for one, I feel like that's kind of doing the same, I feel like that's doing the same purpose as box braids almost, and I feel like it's almost a little worse because you can't get your hair loose or move your hair around really. And I feel like that will just, if you're not careful with your hair, just causes more damage than good. And one hairstyle that I know you guys have been asking or wondering about is that TikTok hair challenge with the boho braids but on your natural hair. I know I am the mini braid queen, but I feel like for my hair type, that is a no-go. My hair will be puffy, and I'm not fit to spend all that time. I have a 2.5-year-old. I'm not fit to spend all that time braiding up all of my hair to know that my hair is going to look like crap at the end of the day. When I do my hair, I want my hair to look good for at least a week so that I can make sure that it's good and it's going to stay in that protective style or my low manipulated protective styles. But I don't have time to be playing with my hair like that and to put up a style to know that it's not going to look good. And it causes split ends, fairy knots for my hair, because that's kind of like leaving a strand out as a wash and go, and my hair hates wash and goes, and my hair shrinks up. My hair will not be curly or perfect like a lot of these videos that you guys are seeing. My hair type will not look like that, so I am not going to waste my time in even remotely trying to entertain that hairstyle, knowing that it's going to A, dry out my hair, B, cause split ends and fairy knots, and C, not even last that long. So I know that one might be a shocker because it is natural hair, like it's within my own natural hair, but I'm not gonna be playing games like that with my natural hair. So I hope that kind of clears up some of these questions that I've been getting, because I've been getting them a lot. It's like, oh, can you do a wig video, or can you do like this type of video with your hair? And it's like, those are the things that I'm not willing to compromise. I know hair is hair and it'll grow back, but for me, I just want healthy hair. Like I'm more of a natural person in life, like with watching what I eat, watching what chemicals and stuff I put on my body. But I'm not perfect, but I just try to make sure that I eliminate a lot of unhealthier things as much as I can. And some things is like, okay, I can compromise here because I'm not being exposed to it every day. But I hope that helps you guys kind of understand what kind of channel this is. I will still be here doing hair content video for you guys though, but it's just not going to be the latest trend of people doing craziness to their natural hair. Like, I'm just not here for it. So please leave comments down below if you agree or disagree, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Y'all, it looked like I'm sweating.